Yes, sir. We got Kspeaker, model K100. Kspeaker sent this out, review, my thoughts on it, and hopefully it sounds good. We'll see if it sounds better than the K66, so I'm gonna try it out. But open it up. You get your power cable, obviously your manual, remote, another remote, zip ties, the clamps, and more hardware. To be honest, that speaker looks pretty good. The quality of it, to me, it's high-end, and I think it's retailed for $150. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that, but it looks pretty slick if you ask me. We're gonna set this up. Hopefully it sounds good and keep you updated. Yeah, we're going to install it, and hopefully I don't have to take that OG K66. Hopefully the K100 is better. If not, then we can still put it together. We can connect them together, I think. That's all that comes with it. Now let's get this on there. But K66 better, more sound, more bass. Now they're paired together.